Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss. How you guys doing on today? So today is just going to be a super short follow-up with you guys. If you have been following along with me on my hair growth journey, healthy hair growth journey, then you guys know that I have just been trying out different things about every month or so to see if it is aiding me in growing healthy, natural hair. So I was using Wonder Grow products, specifically the Wonder Grow Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Yeah, castor oil hair grease. And so I wanted to provide you guys with my final update regarding this product. Now I have to be honest with you guys. I've only used this product once this month, and I just basically used it to initially install this protective style that I currently have in my hair. I have not used it no more than that. I do have a large heaping amount of this product left. As I mentioned to you guys in the initial review of this product, you get a lot of bang for your buck. I'm the only one in my household that uses this product, so it's taken quite a while to use it all up. So I'm going to keep this. I'm not going to get rid of it because I do truly like this product a lot. And yeah, so I'll continue to use it as a moisturizer to install protective styles such as this, braids, whatever have you. But I have not been using it directly in my scalp, just more so on my strands when installing a protective style. So is this product worth you purchasing? Do I recommend it to you guys? To be honest with you, I can only speak on my own personal experience. And for me, in using the Wonder Grow Jamaican Black Castor Oil, for me, I believe that I've been experiencing a positive result with using this product. So it could possibly work for your strands, okay? I am no hair specialist, no doctor, no nothing like that. I just try out various products for my specific hair in hopes of it may encourage you to get the courage to just try different products to see what works for you. So yeah, you guys, but that is it. This is the final review of the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Wonder Grow. I will not be doing any more reviews on this particular product. Now, I will be honest, you may see me use it in future videos, but I will not be going into depth talking about this product anymore because I've given you guys more than enough videos regarding this product and my response to using the product, or my results to using the product. Anyway, that concludes today's video. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches.